Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5 Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson we left off by creating the framework, starting to creating the framework for the quest giver, and in this lesson we are gonna continue. So, we left off by making the messages exposed on spawn and be editable on the blueprint itself. And in this one, let's continue with adding a variable for the quest state that we created, the enumeration that we created on here, the eQuest state. So we are adding this to the blueprint. I'm going to change the type of this new variable from string to eQuest state. And I'm going to name this variable quest state also. Now, to show, we're gonna need some more variables, but to show these messages, we're gonna need a widget. So let's start creating this because we're gonna need to turn it on and off in this blueprint. So let's go to our widget folder, the purple one. Right click, for me it's purple, because as I told you, you can set any color you want. Anyway, right click, we go to user interface, widget, user widget, and let's name this module quest message. Now, let's open it and let's start by creating how it looks. So first of all, I'm gonna need a canvas. Right. And then I'm gonna need a vertical box. Size to it. So first of all, I need it to be anchored on the bottom of the screen. And let's reset the values and set some values ourselves. So for size on Y, I think 260 will be fine. So position X must be minus 260. Great. And inside here, I'm gonna need actually an overlay, which was the type var. It has the var inside the overlay vertical box, and we have this anyway. So I added an overlay, and I need to add. Let's make it fill the box. Let's say I wanted a background. This is why I'm adding the overlay, because I'm gonna add an image or a background. We're gonna populate it on another lesson because I don't have the asset right now. So we're gonna maybe on implementation. I'm gonna set the alpha to 0, so I don't see this white box here. To be fair, let's do it 0.25 and make this box a little bit darker. Well, completely dark is fine. So we create some contrast for our testing purposes to see the letters. Now, where will the letters populate? In this overlay, let's add a vertical box. And make it fill the box also. And inside that vertical box, let's put some spacers, because we don't want the text to be reaching the top and the bottom of the box. We want it to have some space. So we're gonna need 2 spacers and a horizontal box to populate with our text. So between the spacers, make this fill. And the spacers, so let's make them also fill, but we need to change the how much they fill. So let's put this in 0.2. This one also fill 1.2, and be a little bit small for the. No, it's fine. So inside our horizontal box, I'm gonna copy paste the spacers because we don't want also the text to be reaching the endpoints of the horizontal box. And inside here, I'm gonna also put a text component. I'll put it in the middle and say fill. Now this shouldn't be 0.2, should be 0.1, 0.05. Yeah, 0.5 is fine. Looks better. And on the text block, I'm not really sure you want it like this or like this. This is up to you how visually you want it to look. But let's have an example. I'm gonna copy paste from lorem ipsum. From you can find a generator on Google that generates a text that has a specific amount of words that you set. I think this is 70 words. And of course we want to auto wrap. It could hold some more words, to be fair, but I think it looks nice for now. Actually, we need one more visual. I'm gonna copy paste the horizontal box into this vertical box as it is. I'm gonna change this fill to 0.2. I'm gonna change the text to not this lorem ipsum, to press E to continue. And I'm gonna change the spacers. Actually, it needs to go one up. So the text should be this side. So I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna horizontal alignment to the right. And it's here. So we need something to show the player to accept or continue. So this would be it for this one. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.